Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we'll see how we can make paneer at home and how we can give it to babies. So paneer or Indian cottage cheese can be safely given to babies after 8 months of age. Paneer is a good source of calcium and is easily digestible. It is best to give homemade paneer to babies, which is very easy to make and can be made in very little time. So to make paneer, here we have taken half a liter of full cream milk and we are bringing it to a boil. So once the milk is boiling, we will turn off the heat. And to this we have to add juice of one full lemon. We will not add all the juice in one go, add it gradually. And once you have added some juice, keep stirring the milk and you will see that the milk solids will start separating gradually. So after a few seconds, then you add the rest of the juice and then just keep stirring for some time and you'll see that within a minute or two the milk solids and whey will completely separate, and let it stand for a couple of minutes and you will have your paneer separated. So as you can see, the whey is separate now. The next step is now to strain this paneer. For that, we will take a cheesecloth or a cotton cloth and we'll put it over a strainer and place it over any vessel, and then we will strain this paneer. Then take the ends of the cloth and then squeeze out as much water as you can. Now we'll take some fresh water. This whey can be stored for later use. You can knead atta with it, or you can use it again for splitting milk later when you're making paneer the next time. So now in the fresh water, I'm going to wash this paneer. This will ensure that if there is any sourness from the lemon juice, it will go away. So wash it nicely in clean water, fresh drinking water. And after a while, then just squeeze out all the water and then we'll hang it for about half an hour so that all of the water will drip. After half an hour, this is how our paneer is looking. It's looking quite good. Now this paneer at this stage can be given to babies in a number of ways. It can be mixed with flour to make paneer paratha or chapatis. You can also blend fresh paneer with fruits or vegetable purees. Another way which I used to do is I just take this paneer now and I will knead it nicely till it forms a smooth dough. So I'll just use my fingers and palm till I get a smooth paste or dough of this paneer. This will take anywhere between 5 to 6 minutes. So just pick it up again, press it. Just knead it like you would knead any other dough. And soon you will have a smooth roll of paneer. Now this is completely uh, smooth dough. You can cut it into pieces or add it to curries or dals. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how we can fry it in ghee and give it to babies or toddlers as finger foods. So just heat some ghee in a pan, and to this I'm going to add cubes of freshly made paneer. This is very soft and yummy, so no other flavor is needed. We lightly fry it to turn it golden. Just a few seconds on each side and it will be ready. You can also add the cubes of paneer to any curry or even to dal. It can also be mixed with atta to make chapatis or parathas, as I said earlier. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel, and also comment to let us know what else do you want to see. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.